Gen Tools, and actually got something really cool. I know I tend to say that a lot, but today we've got something. SUNEX Tools. It's a company I've never heard of until probably about 6 months ago. They've been around since 1977, but they're new to me.
You guys,
look, I got Dan with the nice swag. Look at that.
Welcome,
Look at that
SUNEX,
nice
to the
sweatshirt.
channel. Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys, SUNEX has partnered up with us for 2019, and they have great tools. Even if they didn't partner up with us, I would still say they have great tools, and I still actually own a lot of their tools, like the Roadster Jack, which I just posted on Instagram. If you follow us on Instagram, go ahead and check that out.
And if you don't, why not?
Yeah.
You should. It's a cool thing. It's the in thing to do, guys.
It's the in thing.
All the kids are doing it nowadays.
And you know what else has turned out to be the in thing? It's Facebook. Just when you thought Facebook was dead, it comes out of nowhere and like becomes to be a big player again.
My money's on MySpace, so.
GeoCities, dude. GeoCities. I know we keep talking about it, but it's happening. You guys, SUNEX Tools, like Eric said, 1977 was the year.
Wow, 1977. I was born in 73.
You were 4 when SUNEX Tools came to.
No, I was still 3.
What?
I was born in October. They actually started before.
Why do you know it was not October 1977?
Because I'm going by odds. Odds are that it would be before.
All right, you guys. Basically, in 1977, they invented SUNEX. They came up with a way, not a way, but oh man.
They started actually in the racing automotive industry.
They started in the racing, quality hand tools in the racing automotive industry. They started out small. They've grown to where they are today, which they have a ton of new tools out. Personally, stuff that stands out to me with SUNEX is their toolbox. We're going to show you a toolbox video coming up, you guys. Not today.
Is it that blue one out there too? That's a nice tool. I've never seen a toolbox like that. Yeah.
Diet Coke, dude. Diet Coke. You know what everybody says? Dude, I drink about 12 a day. People are like, you're going to die from Diet Coke. Tell me one person that's died from Diet Coke.
Yeah, I know. That's what I mean.
Yeah, nobody.
You're going to go from bacon first, then you will Diet Coke.
Yeah, I'll die of bacon first. You guys, so SUNEX Tools, in the racing industry, you know, they've learned a lot, and then they just started putting out quality tools, right?
Yes.
It is made overseas, Taiwan. Some of it's made here, I'm sure, but they just make good quality products, and, you know, when we got the stuff, just unboxing it, the way it's packaged, everything just seems to be legit. Let's just talk about this. This is their chrome set here. This is their new chrome series. Just looking at the case, you have some stainless steel latches, a stainless steel pin that holds it together, and I mean, even like a different molding on the outside here. I mean, I know that's not much, but that's just like little features that go into it. You open it up, and voila. It's like when you open it up, Pulp Fiction, remember? And like,
oh, yeah. And you know what, too, I just noticed on it, too, which would be pretty cool. I'm pretty sure you can take these pins out if you want to, and these are small enough where you can fit them in actually in a toolbox drawer.
Yes. So you already have, you know, you don't have to get inserts or anything like that. They're just set. They're just in there. Now, even though you do say that, I'm going to be curious to see, because a lot of the times they do that, but wouldn't it be cool if a tool company made it so they all, like, fit in there? Toolbox, so it's like, oh hey, if you have a SUNEX box, this would all fit like logically in there, because most toolboxes are going to put this in, this is going to go in there, it's going to be a big space somewhere where
but the problem with that though is they've got so many different kits, you know what I mean, so you'd have to have that kit for that toolbox.
Yeah, I know, but maybe you just have like 4 kit sizes, you know, and they can all interlock together when you put them in the box.
Oh, and in here?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, that's just the thing. You guys, so with their chrome sockets, what are we looking at on the chrome sockets? We're looking at higher quality material. We're looking at, on the outside here, the laser etched dual color, you guys. So we have blue for metric and red for standard. Another thing that jumped out at me on this kit was the ratchets, right? For a few reasons. First, they feel solid. They have a really nice gear system.
Do you know why they feel solid?
Because they're solid, Eric?
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy. And they have a really nice low profile, so I'm going to be able to get into that tight area and get that fastener in or out. And if I need to service the tool, just a lock ring.
Yeah, I've never seen that before. I always feel like there's always like screws or other stuff around there.
Yeah, usually, generally there is.
I kind of like that. That's cool.
I don't think I've seen this before either. But yeah, you just lock ring, take it out, and then you can get your gears out of there, clean it up, oil it, whatever you guys need to do. So that's just good quality right there. All right, you guys, this is one of my favorite kits right here. This is the Master Hex Impact Kit. 3/8. So basically, with this kit, there's not a fastener that's out there, hex or Torx-wise, that I'm not going to be able to get to, right? I mean, it's pretty amazing. Even just the little stuff down to the big stuff, you know? I mean, look at this socket right here. That's heavy duty.
Wow.
Yeah. And they have...
Holy cow.
they're laser etched, it looks like, but not I don't know if that's etching or what.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's definitely like
Yeah, but
lasered
it's not
in
a
there.
grooved etching.
Oh, you're talking about for the, yeah, they've got on the back side is the groove. The front's just,
Yeah, just like a painted. But even if you have to go deep, you got your deeps.
Yeah, that's a nice kit to have.
Yeah. I know. And that's the cool thing about SUNEX is like, I like this weird specialty stuff, you know? Not saying that's weird specialty stuff, but it's
Well,
like...
no, but especially for automotive. I mean, you think about all the different fasteners on just one car. I mean, I wonder how many different fasteners there are per car.
Oh my God.
Different sizes,
Hundreds
different
of
types, all
thousands.
that stuff.
Hundreds of thousands. Right here, you guys, another kit, which is another hex kit. Look at the size of this. This is your 3/8 kit. Look at the size of that thing. Feel
nice. Oh man, that's heavy. No, that's nice.
Yeah, and everything just, you know,
cool.
it stays in there tight. It's not coming out. Yeah, if I whip this box across the room, it's probably going to loosen up in there. But most likely, when I move this thing around, it's pretty much staying in its locked position. Let's go to the, we'll just continue here. A couple more things.
Wow, I like these jacks.
Yes,
Wow,
we're going to go over
aluminum.
the jacks. You guys, you know what these are?
Imagine some type of hand tool.
Yeah, yes, Eric. No more thin-walled sockets, you guys. You have a nice car, you have nice wheels, you don't want to damage it. I have a Jeep, but I kept taking the wheels off, and I kept damaging the cap. I'm like, what the heck? So I got these, problem solved, right? Nice plastic outside, so when it does make contact with the metal, with the rim, anything like that,
awesome.
it's
Even
gonna
on the
not mar
inside
it.
down there, they've got the...
Yeah, but even on the inside, you have the plastic, so it's not going to damage your lug nut, your acorn style, whatever. You're not going to damage it.
That is cool.
Yeah. So,
I've never seen that before.
I know. Very nice kit, you guys. And, you know, it's just cool. What do you have there? Oil filter socket wrenches. So this is kind of a specialty item. Not all oil filters require the wrench, but a lot of these newer cars have a wrench that you use, and SUNEX has the tools for it. So I kind of just wanted to give you an example of, you know, a cool little 9-piece oil socket kit, and you're gonna get the job done. If you work at a Jiffy Lube, if you're, you know, the express lane, lube lane at the Ford dealer, that's for you, right? And then,
well, if you work at a Ford dealer, you'll be using these a lot.
I like Ford. Chrome extensions, you guys. Still, just like the other stuff, really nice engravings on them. And I mean, these are just like nice quality tools. An example. Let's talk about the jacks. What do you got?
Dude, they're the 3-ton aluminum jack stand. I cannot believe how light these things are. Here's what I like, is actually when you're raising it, it still stays there. Obviously, you got to put the pin in before you use it. But it's not like you're trying to sit here mess around.
They're preloaded, you guys. I don't know how they do that. If there's a spring in there or it's just a thing, but they're preloaded. So that way I don't need two hands, right? So if I'm reaching under the car and I just go up here and I'm like, okay, right about there will work. Boom. Put my pin in. No, actually, I need a second hand that time. But
that's cool.
Slide it
I
under.
just can't believe how light these are.
I know. And
it supports 3-ton.
Yep. Per jack stand.
That is
so technically,
wild.
these two could hold up a 6-ton car, but obviously you wouldn't have that, you know. So with 4 of them, you're going to be able to put most cars, maybe even, well, 12.
No, because I still think it's 3-ton per. I don't think that would hold.
Oh
6
yeah, not 6 tons.
You know?
Yeah, 3-ton. No,
3-ton.
yeah. No, so it would be 6-ton. So basically, you can put a 6-ton car on these 2 jacks. If you, like I said, if you could balance it. But I always like with jacks. I always like to be way above.
Yeah.
Why? Why are you laughing? You better read that disclaimer at the end. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. There's always instructions on here. Warning: you could die if using these in the wrong way. It's just gonna happen. Don't be an idiot with jacks. Just get it done. Last but not least, we're gonna show you is. Actually, we'll do that in another video because I'll do that with the Roadster, the SUNEX jack. What's so funny?
Well, no, because you said it holds up a 6-ton, 6-ton car, or hell of a date on Friday night, man.
What?
No, dude.
I don't get that one, dude. Because it went right over my head. You guys, SUNEX Tools, check them out. Comment below. What do you guys think of SUNEX Tools? Should we have a SUNEX Tools giveaway? Let us know. Comment. We want to know what's your favorite SUNEX tool. Hashtag TI Crew. Wherever you go, follow us on Instagram to see the latest. Don't forget to click that bell down there to know when we're coming online or whatever.
And bacon makes the world go round.
And it's so damn good. Tools in action.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.